How do you use ECK? It's easy. ECK should be applied in between areas of dissimilar metals. The appropriate build of the ECK product to provide adequate corrosion protection includes applying it into and around drilled holes to create a barrier between the fastener and the hole, onto the threads of each fastener by dipping or spraying to cover them completely, and on all flat surfaces where dissimilar metals are joined. Galvanic and chemical corrosion are serious issues in the transportation industry. Most trailers, chassis, and buses are manufactured from aluminum, assembled using steel or stainless steel fasteners and hardware, and operated in harsh environments. Aluminum with stainless steel hardware will always corrode, sometimes sooner than later. Manufacturers should specify ECK to eliminate dissimilar metal corrosion. Using ECK on these applications will ensure superior corrosion protection and a longer life for your vehicle. ECK corrosion coating comes in handy squeeze tubes, as well as aerosol, quart cans, and 55-gallon drums for bulk applications. Thousands of laboratory testing hours, as well as many world-class manufacturers, have proven that ECK is the superior product for corrosion prevention between dissimilar metals. Visit our website to learn more